Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma, onye na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo. Today we're learning how to make requests in Igbo. And we're going to start with Biko. What does Biko mean? Please. Biko is please. The next word we're going to learn is Biya. Biya means come. How would you say please come? Biko Biya. Biko Biya. Okay? So Biko, please. Biya, come. Biko Biya, please come. Next word we're learning is nyere, which means give. Well done. Give. And how would you say give me? Nyem. Nyem. Okay. And if you were going to add please to it, what would you say? Please give me. Biko nyem. Biko nyem. And of course, you add what you want. Biko nyem mmiri if you want water. Biko nyem mmiri. Mmiri, water. Biko nyem mmiri. Biko nyem efere. Please give me a plate. Biko nyem ngaji. Give me a spoon. Okay. Oche. Gịnị bụ oche? Chair. Chair. How would you say, please give me a chair? Biko nyem oche. Good. Biko nyem oche. Please give me water. Biko nyem mmiri. Biko nyem mmiri. Now to say help me is nyere m aka. Okay, maybe you want help from somebody. Say nyere m aka. We're going to add please to it. How do you say please help me? Biko nyere m aka. Biko nyere m aka. Okay, please help me. Biko nyere m aka. Let's learn how to say wait. Chere. Chere is wait. So maybe you want somebody to wait for you. What would you say? Cherem. You just add me, which is Cherem. Cherem. And if you want to say please wait for me, Biko cherem. Biko cherem. Okay, so gịnị bụ please? Biko. What is wait? Chere. Wait for me. Cherem. Please wait for me. Biko cherem. Dalo. Okay, let's see how much you remember. Gịnị bụ please in Igbo? This is your turn. Please. Biko. Well done. Please come in Igbo. Please come. Biko biya. So biya is come. Please come. Biko biya. Help me. Nyere m aka. So like give me a hand. Nyere m aka. Please help me. Biko nyere m aka. Biko nyere m aka. Awesome. Dalo. Now I'm inviting you to join us in the Learn Igbo workshop. We're hosting it on Zoom this week. You'll find the link below, or you can just go to igbostudy.com. You see where it says workshop. Sign up and join us. It's a free workshop, and I will see you soon. Cordi. Say Cordi. That means bye-bye. Cordi. Dalo. Thank you. Cordi. Bye-bye. Cordi. Nasubebo.